Let me ask you something honest. When was the last time you felt truly alive? Not just busy. Not just getting through the day. Actually alive. Because most people are not living. They are just existing. Moving through the same routine. Same feelings. Same emptiness. Day after day. Marcus Aurelius felt it. Seneca fought it. Epictetus taught the cure. And today, 3 rules are going to change everything. Fix the mind. Fix the body. Fix the heart. Let's go. Rule 1, fix the mind. Your mind right now is a battlefield. Social media. Bad news. Other people's opinions. Comparison. All of it fighting for space inside your head every single day. And you wonder why you feel lost. Here is how you take it back. Step 1, detox your mind. The first 30 minutes of every morning belong to you. Not your phone. Not the news. Not anyone else. Read philosophy. Study someone who survived something hard. Build one skill that makes you better. Feed your brain strength, not garbage. Step 2, redefine your direction. Stop focusing on what you want to have. Start focusing on who you want to become. Not, I want to lose weight. But, I am someone who honors this body. That identity shift changes every decision you make from that moment forward. Step 3, break the invisible prison. Write down the lies your fear tells you every day. I don't have time. I am not smart enough. It is too late for me. Now rewrite every single one as a declaration of power. Because those lies are the only prison that actually holds you. Step 4, the daily mind ritual. Every morning, name 3 thoughts that make you stronger. Every night, ask yourself, did I let fear drive today or did I? That simple check-in done every day builds a mind nothing can break. Rule 2 is something most people completely ignore, and it is quietly destroying everything they are trying to build. Rule 2, fix the body. A strong mind cannot live inside a neglected body. The Stoics knew this. They did not separate the two. Your body is the physical home of your purpose. And right now, you might be letting it fall apart. Nutrition is discipline. Every single bite of food is a decision. Are you fueling your potential, or feeding your weakness? That is the only question that matters at every meal. Sleep is wisdom. 7 to 8 hours every night. Non-negotiable. Not a luxury. A ritual of self-respect. Every great decision Marcus Aurelius made, he made rested. Every poor decision you have ever made, you probably made exhausted. Movement is medicine. When you feel anxious, move. When you feel lost, move. 20 minutes. Stairs. Bodyweight squats. A walk outside. You are sending your brain one message, I am in command of this body. Not fear. Not laziness. Me. Voluntary discomfort. Once a day, choose one small hard thing on purpose. Skip the sugar. Take the cold shower. Sleep without the comfort you normally need. Every time you do, you build a quiet unbreakable trust in yourself. And that trust is worth more than any motivation you will ever feel. Rule 3 is the one most people are too afraid to face. But it is the one that completes everything. Rule 3, fix the heart. If you feel empty inside, your heart has not gone cold. It has just built walls so high, you forgot what was behind them. Here is how you find your way back. Sit in silence. No phone. No music. Just you. Ask yourself 3 questions. If I could not fail, how would I actually live? What am I pretending not to care about? Who am I when absolutely nobody is watching? Sit with those answers. They will tell you everything you need to know about where you have been hiding from yourself. Let go of the weight. For the next 30 nights, write down one thing you choose to forgive. Not for them. For you. Because that anger and regret you are carrying, it is not hurting the person who hurt you. It is only hurting the person reading this right now. Forgiveness is not weakness. It is dropping chains that were never yours to carry. Live with purpose. The Stoics called it sympathia, the connection between all human beings. You are not here just for yourself. Every day, find one small way to help someone. Teach something. Share something. Show kindness to one person who was not expecting it. That outward purpose feeds your inner peace in a way nothing else can. Outro. Here is what the Stoics knew that most people never discover. These 3 rules are not separate. They are one continuous loop. Fix your mind, and it guides your body. Train your body, and it strengthens your heart. Open your heart, and it fuels your mind. Round and round. Each one feeding the next. You are not broken. You are not too late. You are not too far gone. You just needed a place to start. Start here. Start today. Start with one rule. And do not stop. Subscribe for weekly Stoic wisdom that actually changes how you live. See you in the next one.